All right, this one's easy. I'm gonna make some Halloween decorations using a pumpkin basket and a LED solar garden light. The first thing you're gonna do is cut the handle off the pumpkin bucket. Also, make sure that the top of the light is bigger than the hole of the bucket and that the bottom of the light fits into the bucket. And also, some of these have an on-off switch, so don't make that mistake and wait for it to work overnight and not have it work for you. All right, next we're gonna use a 1-inch Forstner bit. Use, I guess, the smallest bit you can. You can use a hole saw or whatever kind of bit you have, or you could even cut it out with a utility knife if you don't have a drill or a drill bit. Use the smallest drill bit corresponding to the diameter of the rod, so you can have a tight fit. And you can find the exact center, or you can estimate what it is. So you may have noticed, or may have not noticed, that I finally got new microphones. I've been saying it for so long. They're the Hollyland, the circular ones, and they just clip on your clothes with a magnet really easily. They also have I think they have a clip that attaches to it, so you can clip it on if you want, and then there's a pendant, and you can even make a little sticker for it. There's a link in the description below for them if you want to pick them up. This isn't going to stick all the way in the ground up to the bottom of the pumpkin, so we're going to have to secure it somehow. And the basket's pretty light, so we can just use a zip tie. I'm going to drill a little hole through here and slide the zip tie through. And you shouldn't even need to fasten it. You could probably just slide it through there and let the basket rest on. And then if you need to take it off, just pull the zip tie out.